Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and in the series of Python programming, we are going to start with a new program today. In the last lecture, we saw the comparison among three different kind of copying mechanism. So I hope you have watched that particular video. I am going to create a new file here, and today in this video we are going to start a multi-dimensional array. So I am taking Pro 39 here. Okay. So now we are going to start the multi-dimensional array concept. So that is also from the Numpy only. From Numpy import asterisk. So see, when we are creating the multi-dimensional array, that is also an array only. So that array would be created with the help of Numpy right now. So it's so simple, just like a normal array as we have done in the previous lectures, that how you can create a single dimensional array. Similarly, multi-dimensional array could also be created. See, I have created this a two-dimensional array. So you can see that it is having two rows and three columns. So it could be written like this, or even you can write it like this. So that I was just showing you to that how you represent. But this is also the correct representation. Either you write like this or that, both are correct. So I'm just going to print it. Let's print it. Okay. Okay, sorry. Actually, I made a mistake here. This was missing. Let's run it. Yeah, now you can see it is a 2D array, and it is also coming in the 2 dimensions only. Like in the case of different languages, we have to give proper format for the /n and all to print it in the matrix format. Here you can see we can easily do this. If I want to make it a 3x3 array, so I can make it simply like this. I'm just going to run this. It will be a 3x3, that is a matrix only. So the order is 3x3, you can see. So this is our matrix led to some more operations, more functions. So if you want to check the data type, it's simple. The D type which was used in the Numpy, that is same. So data type, for the data type, you have to take arr1.d type. Then if you want to get the number of dimensions, so you can write dimensions. So that's just a message. So arr1.enddim. So this enddim will be giving us the dimension, like it is a 2D. So it will be giving us the dimensions. If you want to get the order, like 2x3, 3x3, this way, order of matrix, that will be here with the help of shape. Then if you want to get the number of elements, so for the number of elements, you have seen big program in different languages where you have to use the looping and all. You have to use the counter variable, but here it's so simple. We directly do this. So here arr1 dot size we have to use, and this size will be giving us the number of elements present in this particular array. Okay, so let's run this. And here you can see that we have got the desired output. So it's here. So first of all, we have got the matrix which we have printed on the line number 3. Then the data type. Then the number of dimensions, that is 2. Order is 3x3. And number of elements is 9. So as it is 3x3, so 9 elements are there. 3 into 3 you can see. I hope this is clear. So see you in the next lecture. We will be continuing with more functionalities of Numpy. Till then, stay tuned, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe.